Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna be making these amazing and wonderful cute little flowers. You're gonna be needing only a few things to make this flower. The first thing you'll be needing is your yarn. I'm using 100% acrylic yarn of medium weight. Its color is shocking pink. You can use any color you like. You'll also be needing your crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook. You'll be needing your pair of scissors and a needle to weave in your ends. Once you're ready, grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get started. You can start pulling from the center to unravel your yarn. The first step is to make a magic circle. To make a magic circle, grab your yarn on top of two fingers and hold it down with your thumb finger like this. Wrap your yarn around your fingers to make an X. You'll be seeing an X on top of your two fingers. Now turn your fingers back side and you'll be seeing a parallel line. In the front, you'll have an X, and in the back, you'll have a parallel line. Insert the hook into the bottom line and grab the top line of your yarn and twist the hook. Thereby, you'll have a loop. Now, grab the working end of the yarn and pull it through the loop to make a chain. This is how you'll be making a magic circle. You can tighten your magic circle by pulling the tail end. Don't make it too tight, just a little bit space so that you can work into it. Now we'll make a first petal into the magic circle. To begin, make a chain 1. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the magic circle. To make a double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab your yarn, and now you'll be having 3 loops in your hook. Grab your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Grab your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Now you have made a double crochet. Now let's make a treble crochet into the magic circle. To make a treble crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook into the magic circle, grab your yarn. Now you will be having 4 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull through first 2 loops. Now you will be having 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull through first 2 loops. And now you will be having 2 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull through both the loops. Now you have made a treble crochet. Next we are going to make a chain 1. And we are going to again make a treble crochet into the magic circle. Wrap your yarn twice around the hook, insert the hook into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Now we have made a treble crochet. Next we are going to make a double crochet. Wrap your yarn around the hook, insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have made a double crochet. Next we are going to chain 1 and we are going to slip stitch into the magic circle. To slip stitch, insert your hook into the magic circle, grab your yarn and pull through the loop that we have. Now pull the magic circle so that all your stitches are together, just like this. And now we have made a single petal for our flower. We are going to repeat the same thing and make 5 more petals so that our flower is ready. To make a second petal, make a chain 1 and then we are going to make a double crochet. Wrap your yarn, insert into the magic circle, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Make a treble crochet into the magic circle like we have did before. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we are going to chain 1 and make a treble crochet again into the magic circle. Now we are going to make a double crochet into the magic circle. Once we are done, we are going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the magic circle. Now let's pull all our stitches together by just pulling the magic circle. We got 2 petals of our flower. Now let's move on to the third petal. Chain 1, make a double crochet into the magic circle. Make a treble crochet into the magic circle. Chain 1 and make a treble crochet again into the magic circle. Make a double crochet into the magic circle. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the magic circle. Now we have completed 3 petals for our flowers. Let's make all our stitches together and then continue on with the 4th petal. Chain 1, double crochet into the magic circle, treble crochet into the magic circle, chain 1, another treble crochet into the magic circle, double crochet into the magic circle, chain 1 and slip stitch into the magic circle. Let's pull our stitches together and continue on with the last petal that we have got. We are going to chain 1 and work on a double crochet into the magic circle. Make a treble crochet into the magic circle. Chain 1, make a treble crochet into the magic circle. Make a double crochet into the magic circle. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the magic circle. Once we have slip stitched, we have done with all of our 5 petals. Now I'm going to chain 1 and cut the yarn. I'm chaining 1 so that it is secure. And you can go ahead and leave a little bit of a tail end to weave in and cut your yarn. Alright, now we are going to pull the magic circle tighter so that the large gap in the front is filled. Pull it tighter and don't worry if your flower kind of shrinks. We are going to work on that later. So yeah, I've pulled my magic ring tighter and this is how my flower looks like at this point. I'm gonna just work petal by petal and extend it a little bit so that it is not shrinked. Now we have our nice and beautiful flower here. So now we are gonna weave in these ends in the back side of the flower. To weave in, just grab your needle, insert the yarn into the hook. If you are just finding it difficult, cut your yarn a little bit so that the yarn is like kind of easier to insert into the hook. Now we are gonna work in the back side stitches of the flower, just inserting it into the couple of stitches. And I would like to work around the same stitch twice, so I'm just inserting it again into the same 2 stitches and then insert it into the next couple of stitches. I think it's secured well. I'm gonna work on the next loose end. Insert the yarn into the hook again. And in the similar way, insert it into couple of stitches. Again insert it into the same couple of stitches. And also the next set of stitches as well. Go around once more. I think it's secure enough. And now we are gonna cut off these ends. That's it. Our beautiful flower is ready.